Hi, my name is Patrick and this is to tell you about the GMAT full course that we are running, the focus edition. So basically anyone who's planning to write a GMAT, this video is for you. We have been running classes for MBA Entrance from last 22 years, more than 22 years, which includes the GMAT, CAT and the other examination which is there. So this specific video is for the GMAT. So if you're writing a GMAT entrance examination, this video will help you as such. The duration of the course. So the course will get over by 3 to 4 months time. So we're planning to start a batch in June and so we'll get over by August, September. So if you're writing the examination somewhere in the month of September or later, then this course is the right course for you. So it will be more than 50 hours of live lectures across the sections. The syllabus, quant, verbal, data science, all the 3 sections will be covered in this. So you will get guidance and everything for these 3 sections. So you will basically be getting live lectures where we will try to cover the concepts that are required for those particular topics. Apart from that, you will have some videos for quant that will help you with regards to preparation. So what is included? Live lectures, videos for practice for quant section and guidance for preparation on strategy. So if you have any problem with regards to what to prepare, how to prepare or on strategy, then I'll be able to guide you with regards to what to do for preparation. You can contact us at 9821314788 or at support@coinacademy.com to get more details about the course. Right? All the best.